Next, consider the following statements. Statement 1, the English conquest of Bengal in 1757 significantly boosted their financial and military resources. Okay. The French received regular financial support from the Deccan to sustain their campaigns in the Carnatic. Which one of the following statements do you believe is correct at this point of means for this particular question? Okay. Now, here, just look at this. Statement 1, the English conquest of Bengal. We know that after the Britishers, won the Battle of Plassey. As a result, after it, they became the kingmakers and the puppet rulers were the Nawabs of Bengal. So altogether, they are going to extract nearly 3 crore rupees from the Nawab of Bengal. Okay, so they had immense financial gain at that point of time, which will act as them for a military resource. Whereas in contrary, the French received regular financial support. This statement itself is correct, and that too from Deccan. Deccan was under the control of whom? Deccan means the Bombay province and all. It was under whose control? It is going to be under the British control. British had three presidencies, right? Bombay, Madras, and Bengal. Whereas the French, they had the Pondicherry and Chandranagar. So how come they would have gotten regular financial support from Deccan? So Deccan itself is wrong. Apart from that, the French received regular financial support. So that itself is also wrong, because French did not have that much of funds to compete against the Britishers. So second statement is wrong. So both statement 1 and statement 2 is correct. No. Both statement 1 and statement 2 is correct. No. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is not correct. Okay. Statement 1 is not correct. No. Statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is not correct. So answer is going to be C. Then consider the following statements. The English naval superiority during the 7 Years' War was decisive in the Third Carnatic War. Okay. And the French fleet under D'Arcy defeated the English fleet multiple times. Which one of the following is correct with respect to the above statements? Now just look at statement 1. The English naval superiority during the 7 Years' War was decisive in the Third Carnatic War. Obviously, yes. Okay, obviously, yes. The English, they had a superior naval fleet that helped them. Okay, the 7 Years' War, it was from 56 to 63, 1756 to 1763. And because of that, also what happened is, because of that also what we can say is that, okay, because of that also what we can say is that they defeated the French. Okay, now we know that the Britishers won and the French were defeated. The French fleet under D'Arcy defeated the English fleet multiple times. If he would have defeated the British fleet multiple times, so the French would have won, right? So the result is contrary to this aspect. So he did not defeat it multiple times. So the answer here is once again, first is correct, second is wrong. Okay. Then consider the following statements. Here that is statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is incorrect. C is the answer.